I have this butterfly wood laser cutout that I got from Michaels. It was $9.99 and then I got it for 40% off. I'm going to take some black paint and cover the entire butterfly. Some of the wood is still peeking through, and that's okay. Once that dried, I then took some white paint and I'm going to brush on top of the black paint. I still want some of the black to peek through, so I'm almost doing like a dry brush. In all the cutouts and the different layers, I want to get a base coat of white on as well. I have this Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. You can get this from Michaels or Hobby Lobby. And I have these little syringes and some measuring cups. I'm going to put some of the Dimensional Magic into a measuring cup. And I have some mica powder. And I get these at Michaels or Hobby Lobby. And it's just a powder that you can mix in with your resin. But I also use it to mix in with my Mod Podge. And if you don't have the mica powder, you can also mix in glitter or just regular paint. And I'm just going to fill in the different cutouts of the butterfly. I'm just putting some in the circle cutouts around the wings of the butterfly. And then I'm just going to randomly fill in the other sections of the butterfly wing. And you can pick any colors of your choice. The next I have a bronze color that I'm going to fill in some of the cutouts with. And again, you can fill in any cutout with any color of your choice. But I'm just kind of doing random and I want to do a mixture of colors. So now I have this teal blue. And I'm using a popsicle stick to just move around the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. Now this would also work with epoxy, but this Mod Podge is very easy to work with. And then you just allow that to fully dry. I have this welcome sign that I got from Target for $3. And I'm painting that with my purple paint. And you can give this a nice good coat. And once that was dry, I took a small art brush and some white paint. And I'm just going to dry brush the body of the butterfly. And then I'm going to take a skinny art brush with the white paint, and I'm just going to outline the welcome word. If I go around the edge of each letter with the white, it kind of just makes the word more readable. I have 4 screw-eye hooks, and I'm going to screw one into the bottom of the M. And then I'm going to screw one into the bottom of the W. I'm going to take 2 more and screw them onto each wing. So now that they are lined up with the welcome sign and the butterfly. I got this metal wire hanger from the Dollar Tree by the plant section. And I'm just going to use my metal cutters to just trim it to the length that I want. And I'm just going to hang the butterfly from the welcome sign. And I'm going to do the same thing on the left side here. And you can just open the bottom of the screw-eye hook to slip the metal hanger in. And I actually decided to make this a little shorter, so you can really trim it as needed. And there you go. Now you have this very easy butterfly welcome sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, transfers, tissue paper, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.